Hello and welcome to Algebra 2 Sheltered Instruction at Vista Ridge High School. Algebra 2 course descriptions. Students take Algebra 2 as their third math course, after Algebra 1 and Geometry. With linguistic accommodations, students who are first or second-year English language learners will study the following topics: absolute value functions, equations, and inequalities; quadratic functions, equations, and inequalities; systems of linear and quadratic equations and inequalities; cubic functions and other polynomials; rational and nth root functions and equations; exponential and logarithmic functions and equations. Other topics including statistics, probability and trigonometry. Who should be in Algebra 2 SI, Course 2212 SI? Qualified ESL students who have met the Algebra 1 and Geometry prerequisites, or entering 10th or 11th grade students from another country who have met the above prerequisites and show a great need for linguistic accommodations because of language barrier, or Algebra 2 SI is usually enrolled by 11th or 12th graders. On rare occasions, a 10th grade would be enrolled in Algebra 2. Why are some students placed in sheltered instruction, SI? Only students who qualify for ESL services will be placed in SI. Students who are newly arrivals to the U.S. and need linguistic accommodations for their classes. Linguistic and other accommodations are determined by language testing and teacher recommendations to ensure students can be successful learners in their classes. The use of dictionaries, translators, extra time on assignments, reduced length of assignments are among the most common needs of our English language learners. Students in a sheltered classroom not only learn the content, but also the English language with respect to reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Students in sheltered instruction receive the same course credit as non-sheltered students, and their transcript will not indicate SI credit for Algebra 2 SI. Algebra 2 is the third of 4 high school math courses, in which students will earn credits that count toward their graduation requirements. Students in Algebra 2 sheltered instruction will earn the same credit as students who are non-sheltered. Semester A 1/2 credit plus Semester B 1/2 credit equals 1 Algebra II credit. If a student fails one semester, he or she will only need to repeat that one semester to regain a 1/2 credit. Semester A and Semester B can also long average to gain a full credit. In other words, students will need at least 140 points to pass the course for the year. The next recommended course following Algebra ISI is any upper math classes such as statistics, pre-calculus, or college prep math. Students should discuss which math class to take with their counselor. What math course should students enroll in after Algebra 2 SI? Statistics or pre-calculus is the next in the sequence after Algebra 2 for most seniors and some juniors. These college-ready courses do not have sheltered instruction at Vista Ridge, so the students will be in a general education setting. Students could still maintain their linguistic accommodations in these classes if needed. CPM, College Prep Math, SI or Gen Ed, students get to choose based on needs. What commitments must students make in this course? Practice is a huge contributor to the successful outcome of this course. Students not only need to practice while in class with a teacher but also outside of class on their own. Meeting a satisfactory standard is another way of saying the students must pass for the year with a 70 or above in order to advance to the next course. Completion of Algebra 2 course is a good indicator of college readiness. Most colleges and universities would require incoming freshmen to have had Algebra 2 in high school. For more information, please visit the Vista Ridge High School resources page for additional services. The Texas Education Agency website also has more information regarding the essential learning outcomes of Algebra 2. Thank you for your time watching this presentation. Goodbye.